Be the envy of your friends in this 2007 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle. A powerful engine will meet your need for speed that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.